Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted source for valuable investment insights, stock recommendations, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we'll delve into the top 3 undervalued flying car stocks to buy this April, where we are soaring to new heights with an exciting exploration of the flying car industry, an innovative sector that's rapidly evolving and brimming with potential. So before we start, if you find value in this video, please support our channel by liking and subscribing to our weekly updates. Now, let's get started. Are you ready to soar into the future with investments that could take your portfolio to new heights? The flying car industry, or more technically, the eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, sector is rapidly ascending and its potential is just starting to unfold. Why are flying cars gaining such traction, you might wonder? Well, think about the daily traffic jams and the environmental impact of traditional vehicles. eVTOLs offer a promising solution: cleaner, quicker, and more versatile ways to travel. From speeding up deliveries in urban settings to enhancing rescue operations in remote areas, the applications are as varied as they are impactful. Isn't it fascinating to imagine a world where flying cars are a regular sight? And what about the governments? Did you know they are eagerly anticipating the rise of flying cars? With a growing emphasis on sustainable transportation options to reduce urban congestion, the support for this technology is stronger than ever. Given these exciting developments, some companies in this space are poised for significant growth. But not every player in this new market has the same potential. Today, we're diving into 3 of the most undervalued flying car stocks that savvy investors should consider. First up on our exploration of promising flying car stocks is Archer Aviation, ticker ACHR. Have you heard of Archer Aviation's ambitious strides in the realm of autonomous aerial mobility? They're not just tinkering with technology. They are forging powerful alliances that could elevate them to the forefront of the industry. Most notably, Archer has entered into a significant agreement with the U.S. Air Force, a deal potentially worth up to $142 million. Imagine the possibilities that such a partnership, combined with collaborative projects with aerospace titan Boeing, could unlock for Archer. Archer has established agreements with major industry players including Stellantis, Boeing, and United Airlines, enhancing its market position and future prospects. But here's another compelling reason to keep an eye on Archer: its current market valuation. With a market cap of approximately $1.3 billion, Archer strikes a perfect balance as an investment. It's large enough to offer stability, yet not so massive as to stifle growth potential. This makes Archer especially attractive, especially when you compare it to a company like Joby Aviation, whose market cap stands at a hefty $3.39 billion. Given this stark contrast, do you think Archer Aviation could be the undervalued stock many investors are overlooking in the burgeoning eVTOL market? Moreover, Archer Aviation offers a promising investment opportunity in the eVTOL industry, driven by several strategic factors. Progress towards FAA certification and production readiness is another key strength. Archer is on track to commence piloted testing of its Midnight model with the FAA in early 2024 and aims to launch the world's first high-volume eVTOL production facility in Georgia by mid-2024. This advancement towards commercial viability underscores its potential to lead in urban air mobility. Financially, Archer is well prepared to support its ambitious projects, with a solid cash reserve exceeding $400 million. This financial stability is critical as it navigates the typical challenges faced by high-growth tech startups, including significant operational losses. The company's innovative approach in designing and manufacturing electric aircraft aligns with global trends toward sustainable transportation and reduced urban congestion, marking it as a forward-thinking player in urban air mobility. With these strategic initiatives and financial foundations, Archer Aviation appears well-positioned for future growth, making it an attractive option for investors looking into the future of transportation. But before we dive into the next stock and its pioneering projects, here's a quick brain teaser for you all. How do you feel about flying cars shaping our future commutes? Could you see them becoming a part of everyday life? Drop your thoughts below and let's discuss. Now let's turn our attention to Airbus, a renowned powerhouse in the aerospace industry, ticker EHang. Did you know Airbus is also making its mark in the eVTOL sector? They're advancing with ambitious projects like the City Airbus in Vienna. Particularly noteworthy is the City Airbus Next Gen, an all-electric marvel designed to carry 4 passengers. It features 8 propellers, a wingspan of 39 feet, and the ability to cover 50 miles at a cruising speed of 75 miles per hour. Initially tailored for urban environments, the plan is to evolve this vehicle into a fully automated flyer in the future. Why is Airbus's timing impeccable? Well, amidst growing safety concerns with some of its competitors, notably Boeing, Airbus is positioned to capitalize on this shift in market dynamics. Isn't it intriguing to think that despite its pioneering efforts, Airbus might still be flying under the radar as an undervalued stock in the eVTOL arena, especially compared to more conspicuous names like Joby? With the industry on the cusp of transformation, could Airbus be the dark horse that investors might regret overlooking? What do you think about this giant's potential to redefine urban air mobility? Additionally, Airbus's strategic pivot comes at a crucial time as the industry shifts focus towards safer and more reliable transportation alternatives, potentially increasing its market share due to existing concerns over competitors' safety records. The firm's long-standing reputation in aerospace provides a robust foundation for trust and reliability, key components that could drive investor and consumer interest as it ventures into new technological territories. Airbus's deep industry knowledge, coupled with its innovative eVTOL projects, positions it uniquely within the sector, offering potential growth opportunities as global urbanization continues to drive the demand for innovative traffic solutions. Now let's shift our focus to the east and spotlight EHang, ticker EH. EHang is rapidly carving out a niche in the eVTOL market with its standout model, the EH216. This air taxi isn't just a concept. It boasts speeds of up to 80 miles per hour and has solidified its reputation through thousands of successful test flights across China. This model distinguishes itself through extensive testing and practical demonstrations, achieving speeds up to 80 miles per hour and showcasing its reliability across numerous successful flights. EHang's recent achievement in obtaining the first-ever type certificate from the Civil Aviation Administration of China for the EH216S model marks a significant regulatory milestone, setting a precedent in the global eVTOL landscape. This certification not only underscores EHang's technological capabilities, but also aligns with China's strategy to foster domestic innovation and support local companies in gaining a competitive edge on the global stage. EHang's leading position in the Chinese market could translate into substantial capital appreciation, especially as the demand for eVTOL solutions continues to grow globally. With its strong focus on safety, innovation, and market readiness, EHang stands out as a key player in the evolving urban air mobility ecosystem, poised to capitalize on expanding opportunities in both domestic and international markets. Why is this significant? China's strategic push to support its domestic technologies and companies provides a unique advantage, enhancing its competitive stance on the global stage. Positioned as a leader in China's burgeoning eVTOL market, EHang's potential for capital growth is notable, especially when contrasted with its Western competitors. Given these developments, do you think EHang's innovative strides could make it a front-runner in the worldwide race for aerial mobility dominance? How do you see its role in shaping the future of transportation, both in China and globally? In wrapping up, let's take a moment to reflect on the intriguing data we've uncovered. Archer Aviation, with its $1.25 billion market cap, stands out as a bold player in the eVTOL market, aiming for new summits with a strong buy signal and an ambitious one-year target of $9.83. Then there's Airbus, a titan of the skies, combining its hefty $137.17 billion market cap with a touch of tradition, offering a dividend yield and a stable price-to-earning ratio, suggesting a more established footing as it reaches $47.06. Lastly, EHang's $1.02 billion market cap, free of dividend distractions, is not to be underestimated, with sights set high on a $27.50 target. Together, they make a diverse trio for investors seeking to navigate the eVTOL revolution. In summary, the eVTOL industry is poised to revolutionize urban mobility and beyond. Companies like Archer Aviation, Airbus, and EHang are at the forefront of this transformative shift, offering investors a unique opportunity to tap into the potential of aerial innovation. As these companies maneuver through the intricacies of aviation regulations and continue to push the envelope with technological advancements, their growth prospects appear substantial. This is especially true for those that have yet to capture the full attention of mainstream investors. As we wrap up today's journey through the skies of urban air mobility, here's a final thought to ponder. How do you envision the integration of eVTOLs changing your city's landscape in the next decade? Dive into the comments and let us know your futuristic visions. Investing in such pioneering companies could not only be a gateway to impressive returns, but also a chance to be part of a historical shift in how we view and navigate our cities. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of investing. Until next time, keep your eyes on the horizon and your investments soaring. Remember, every investment carries risk, and it's crucial to do your homework before diving in.